examination. In this video, I will share my preparation journey, and I hope it will be very useful for all those aspirants and students who are thinking of taking civil services as a career choice. Let's start the video with the presentation.
So let's start the presentation. This is a brief introduction about myself. I did my graduation in BE Civil Engineering and my optional subject was sociology. In my first attempt, I secured All India rank 630, in which I got Indian Railways Account Service. And in my second attempt, I secured All India rank 47 and I got IAS and my home cadre Tamil Nadu. Currently, I am posted as Assistant Collector and a training in Vellore district. So, talking about my IAS dream, it was actually a childhood dream. My mother told me that she wanted me to become an IAS officer. At that time, I didn't realize the meaning behind the word or the amount of responsibility it holds. So, my mother was one of the strong reasons for me to choose IAS. And the other thing was my native district. My native district is Kadalur, Tamil Nadu. It is a coastal district in the state of Tamil Nadu, and it's always subjected to many disasters like floods, cyclones, and heavy rainfall. And this time it was the 2004 tsunami disaster. And over 8,000 people lost their lives in Tamil Nadu to these giant waves, and Kadlur was also hardly hit. It was an unprecedented disaster for everyone around the world. And in Kadlur, our district collector was Mr. Gagandeep Singh Bedi, IAS. He was a very young and dynamic officer who rose to the situation and came to the field and dealt with all the problems in a very swift manner. And people still remember him for the service he's done to the district and its people. He also took immediate measures like going for mass burial, controlling the situations, and also many long term measures like building houses for those families who lost their belongings in tsunami. So people of Kadalur still remember Mr. Gagandeep Singh Bedi IAS as a savior, and everyone relate to him as an IAS or collector. So being a very young school going student at that time, I took Mr. Gagandeep Singh Bedi IAS as my role model and inspiration, with whom I wanted to become like Mr. Gagandeep Singh Bedi. So this was my motivation, and I wanted to become like him. And I also wanted to take the lead in any crisis management. That is why I chose IAS. And today Mr. Gagandeep Singh Bedi is considered as the mascot of disaster management, and currently he is leading the COVID crisis management in Chennai. So yeah, I've decided on my goal as IAS, and I'm 100% sure that I want to become an IAS, and I started to fix my goal. So this is us in a very young age deciding what we wanted to be, and this is me here, Aishwarya IAS, with a bar on that because we are going to pursue it. And timeline, I did my schooling in Kadalur, graduation in IIST Chennai. I graduated in 2017, and I kind of started my preparation during college because I was quite sure that I wanted to become an IAS officer and I should be taking some steps towards that direction. So during my college, during the second year, I started doing some basic awareness and researching about UPSC, just searching in the Google like how to become, and started getting acquainted with the syllabus and the book list and all. And I, after coming to know that NCRTs and newspaper are very important, I started reading newspapers and NCRTs at a very early stage. But then, like every other aspirant, I didn't understand anything in the newspapers. But NCRTs was very good and fun to learn. In newspapers, I just tried to read the headlines and try to understand what is going on. This was what I did during my second year and third year to just remain in touch with the UPSC preparation. I also attended many free coaching classes which were conducted inside the campus of Anna University and also other coaching institutes in and around of Chennai. And another important thing was I watched many toppers' videos and their answer papers, like how they dealt with and what mistakes they made and what mistakes we should not make, and all those things. I was kind of preparing myself to enter into the preparation all these years in the college. And I was also deciding on my optional. I had circled 3 to 4 subjects to be my optional, and I finally decided on sociology when I was in my college after seeing the syllabus, previous year question papers, and the booklet.